Disclosures. What to disclose when you sell your home in order to protect yourself. This is vital to ensure that you are safe during and after the sale. We will go over every one of the disclosures together so you can feel confident to understand what is being asked and what is being answered. One effective strategy in working with a home buyer is to have all the required disclosures available in MLS for buyers to review prior to making an offer. This helps to ensure that the buyer doesn't back out from things that they've already been made aware of. In Arizona, it's the seller's duty to disclose anything that might be material to the buyer. It's the buyer's obligation to ask questions and do research to make sure that the home meets all their needs and wants, such as location, condition, and more. This is truly a safety net, not only for the buyer, but also the seller. Anything from whether or not you live in an area known for termites to homeowners insurance claims can be material to the buyer. Now, here in Arizona, sellers don't have to disclose if the house was the site of a murder, suicide, or other felony, or if there's a sex offender that lives in the area. But I am happy to say that after selling homes for over 14 years, I have never had a lawsuit. So this is important to understand. When you're selling a home, anything that's ever been repaired, replaced, modified, added, fixed, or changed that might be material needs to be disclosed. If you've ever worked on items related to electrical or plumbing, such as new lights or faucets, there is a place to disclose it. One of the common answers I give my clients is, if you have to ask me whether or not to disclose it, the answer will always be yes. It is safer to disclose it than to under-disclose. Let's help keep you out of the courtroom. You want your buyer to know anything and everything you know about the home or the area that is asked for in the property disclosure statement. Anything that could have a negative impact on the desirability or the price of the home. When you disclose properly, you don't have to worry about the buyer coming back to you later telling you they wanted to go to court or want to extract more money out of you. Obviously, you can only disclose what you know about the house. If there are issues with the property that you don't know about, then the buyer would have to prove that you did know and kept it from them intentionally in order to win at court. So just remember, disclose, disclose, disclose. I am Nancy Wittenberg with Coldwell Banker Realty, your dedicated home advocate.